in ni ko le pha phai e pe wa pa pathen ka thang wa in a he tu ni a hi ke ma gin cha to agi bang kon si je jong ipi iti ka sei di ham ti he kaluma bui he zingen a hi bangin la tu ni a adi Kuga President ni he chin a hi in mangcha hin amani in chilai muna pang the nga 18 now zalen mani chungazong masain ki pa tu ka sei no min he at the very outset I would like to wish staff and children of Nazareth English High School a very happy and enjoyable happy day. Indeed, it is a big privilege for me to stand before you in this very manner. As I was preparing myself last night, this is not how I envisioned it to be. I thought I would be standing before some group of adults, but today I'm so happy that God has given me this opportunity to stand before this number of children and with the staff, and I feel so glad to be a part of this celebration. Before I go into my this speech, I would like to encourage the children to study well, to try to be the best that you can be, and most of all, I would like to request you all to be very, very obedient, because I always used to say, we also have one chorus. Obedience is the very best way to show that you believe. We are all Christian. I believe we are all Christian. And I used to repeat it again and again, saying that this is the Holy Bible, this is the Bible, and from the beginning till the end, if we read it, and if I am allowed to put it in just one word, this whole Bible, if I am allowed to put it in just one word, I would like to call this obedience. Obedience. In Ephesians, we come across one Bible verse where it says, respect your father and your mother. Respect your parents. Why do we need to respect our parents? We need to respect our parents because they are taking the place of God on this earth. Sometimes it may be difficult. Sometimes it may not feel good. Sometimes you may not even like it. But still, if you can be obedient, I guarantee you that you will all be very, very successful human beings, and you will be able to achieve your dreams, your goals, your ambition. And I would like to end this short speech for the children here, and I wish you all the very, very best for your future. Dunia kita sebangin. But this is a very, very pleasant surprise. Aboy kami kaya yung kakigudan he. Ahi ba nga to? Aki pa mamazingin. Amasayin Dunia Minister ay Pankiw. Pastor Kang Kusikin mo pa ahin. Ating the guest of honor Ebong Pankiw. P. Zozan Kongsai ahin, sule Functional President P. Kim Neo Kongsai ahin. Ating le distinguished guests, all Kuga members, I think and mule pa khomozo say the children and the staff, everyone kazana le kalungsin na kangai lu na salam ka hindi masan min Bible chan khat ka simnumin Bible chan hi ka bet a hi le English a ka sim to ei pawa ka sim hi akipang hi de in Chichi a chu ani ni ka ga sim do numin Colossians chapter 3 verse 16. Colossians chapter 3 verse 16. Ei pawa hi hile Krista thu chu nasungwa cheng dim set jinghan china het na kinchengin tumging tot thun holan chule hagaulan khatle khat ki hilun kitil ko tuven lungsit na thu a na lunggilun pathin choi atman la sabin chule thulam ahin na to lam ahin nabol chanu bakai jesu minin bolum chule ama banin pa pathin thangwa jingin umun hi English ga simkirin kating let the message of Christ dwell among you richly as you teach and admonish one another with all wisdom through psalms, hymns and songs from the Spirit, singing to God with gratitude in your hearts. What's our ring patene patene pupitahan? Tunia the Bible jangka ka sim na ji hile. Ito itham ibol jose. La isa jole, tu ise ya hi jole. With gratitude. Kipa na to. Hilmo mong hi. Kipa na to ibol ting le lo ting ji hi. Kipa na umlowa lung op kai na ham ahi lo le kipa lo na ta khat ahi lo le lung ham ta khat lung hai lo na ta khat puma nei puma hil ki bol hi alo hing nei pu tu ni a jong he age la hi le pi he chi ni puma cha hi album sim ki te hi thil bai hi pu in sunga I he ma bang wa thil khat ki bol do dinga hi ri lo I pan khom ngai in mi no mi pa ichate ibo lo I pan khom tin le thil khat ki bol the hi society a chati cha hi in ho bu ga jang chati cha hi pan khom tin le tu ni a jang album sim ki hi thil bai hi lo hi a hi ba in la pathi nin phathe abo in pi he chin jong album a 6 volume ke pathi nin phathe abo he kipa api ma zingin ating le say bedding in ama hi ama saloy zo ai hin tu a khangtha artist ta khangtha mo dinga hi thata be ton theita be zui theita a hi kipa api ki su ti ma zingin ating le tha tu a la sa hong ki mang cha ho jong wang pha sa in mi hin role model ngai cha chi ko hi ivet khat ivet ton ding khat ngai cha hi ema lai no hi tu ni a hi la sa la a hi la sa iti jong le la chung cha sa the hi nai hi jong le tu ni a hi pathin wa choi na chung cha nga hum khom hi ve se mo hi ro vin chi a chi wang pha vin pathin hi wa choi dinga lom hi thang ba dinga lom hi achi chu akin chu ibo wa choi khom dinga thang ba khom dinga I hung khom za lo pathin ka thang ba ki din ve ting le tua album jong hi pathin ni man cha han lam angai ho so si hagawa pin tha na han hal tha na ha be che na anei the di ben ibon cha wa ding pathin pathe e gu pi ta han ka sei khi ka sei ba lo ma hi le ngai dan thu min ka sei di sun apa top cha hi jong le ma hi ibon cha wa ding pathin pathe e gu pi ta han ding le pi ke chin than ve hu pi han lang chi ka ngai lu na thil pi atam jong hi pui eng san pi ki pa um